Hello guys, this is Muhammad Shafiq Fatah from Programming Help. Today I want to show you another program which is very easy, but in all interviews, almost in all interviews, whenever you want to attend, they will ask you this question. You need to know this very well, and it is a tricky question. Let's write it down, yeah? It is just asking you to find the missing numbers from an integer array in Java. You need to know how to do this because this is very important. Okay, this is private static. Let's create a method. Private static hash set and integer. Right, the type is integer, the return type of our method. For example, dispose duplicates. Yeah, dispose duplicate. We can get this int or integer anyway. Int array. Right. This is the method, and the return type is hash set. So we need to create a hash set here. Hash set integer result. Let's call it result. Yeah. Result. All right. Now equals to new hash set. New hash set integer, and this is how we create the hash set. Of course, all of you know this. Now we need a loop to load the numbers. The trick is that here we go for the minimum number of the array. First of all, here we need to do like this: arrays dot sort, and here we call the array itself. This is the util from the util library, and this is sorting arrays. Now we sort the arrays from minimum to maximum. Now what we can do here, the minimum number of the array is the starting point. So we need to mention this, the starting point, array of 0, which is the starting point of the array. And instead of this, we get rid of this. We just say array dot length, right, -1, because the last digit is the last compartment or cell is the -1, yeah, because it starts from 0, not from 1. So now we call the result dot add, yeah, and inside this add what? Add I. Means start from array 0. For example, if it is 5, so it starts from 5. Go to the maximum. Maximum is, for example, 15. It will go from 5 to 15. It will write down all numbers. It will put all numbers from 5 to 15 inside this result, which is the hash set, inside the hash set. Then now we have got all numbers, not only the numbers which we have got in array, all numbers we have got. Now what we should do to get rid of the excess numbers? Now we need another loop, right? We need another loop. Let me close this for a minute. Yeah, now we added this loop, and with this loop we need to remove, yeah, result dot remove remove what array, remove array I. Yeah, now whatever is matching with array I, because we at the moment we have got all numbers in the array, in the set, in the hash set. Now we call hash set and say just remove the numbers which is matching in array. The numbers which is matching in array, we need to remove that from the hash set, right? Then return result. Yeah, return the hash set. Now we need here just a hash set, to call it. It's just for the calling integer. For example, hash set equals new. No, not equals new, just equals this one. Equals this. Yeah, equals this. And inside this, we need an array. You know that we need an array here because it's array here. New int and array. Let me call the I forgot the symbol of array. Yeah, let me for example add 1 5 and the missing number is 2 3 4. Three numbers missing. Let's see how it works. Yeah, for loop we need, or let's do it like new way. Yeah, just do it like this, the lambda expression h's, which is this one, dot for each. Yeah, just do it like this, and value. Then what we need here is this symbol, and sysadd and value. Right, it's all done now. And now let's try. It's showing 2 3 4. Yeah, because we have got 1 and 5, so the missing number is 2 3 4. If we change it, for example, to 1 3 1 5 7, the missing number should be 2 3 4 and 6. So the missing number is 2 3 4 and 6, right? This is how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. Please subscribe, comment, and share it to your friends. If you have any questions,